Basically what I'm doing is I'm digging up all of the grass and weeds that have encroached on the road. And I'm going to go ahead and put 6x6s. These are 4x4s that I'm going to put along the sidewalk and repair the sidewalks. They're shale, they're layers. They need to be scraped up, and then I'm going to go ahead and repair them with cement. So here I'm putting 6x6s, so the water, when it comes down the street, because this is so low, so it doesn't flood my area here, and it'll be all nice and even. And then I'm going to put plastic over the grass so it will die, and then I will fill it in with some nice organic soil and plant. So next year, it'll have plants in it and it won't be a muddy mess. So you can see there's about 18 inches that needs to be scraped off, but my wheelbarrow is full. So here we're going to take it in the back. When I began this project 2 years ago, this was all grass where my parking lot is. And I'm extending on the parking lot in the back there. So I'm doing that since it's lower. It's a foot lower than it needs to be, so I'm basically just putting plastic and killing grass right now, and cardboard, a little bit of gravel, and then that whole little small fence and gate area there'll be about a foot high of gravel, and there'll be more gravel here. But this was all grass. So this is the garden's first year. So this will look a lot better after it's completed and the sidewalk's finished, because my sidewalks are so uneven. But I really don't want to go ahead and dig it up with the backhoe and destroy my whole front landscaping at the moment. So yeah, imagine this was all grass, and I tore out all the grass with the shovel and one of those machines that I rented to remove the grass, the machines that they use for sod. So what I did was, in the back, to prepare for that project, I went ahead and tiered the back corner that was really super low. So this isn't going to be easy to do while I'm holding the phone. So I'm going to turn the wheelbarrow around. So in the back here, this is for my future fence. I tiered this whole back area because it was extremely low. And here's my front yard and the parking lot. It's all back here. So I'm going to shut this off while I scoot this up the for now. That's as good as it's going to get, because it's going to rain, so it's going to wash that out. And until I know where the 6x6s are and I measure from the garden to the edge of the sidewalk and kind of even them out and figure out where exactly the 6x6s are going to go, I'll put gravel, I'll even it all out, level it out, put gravel in there, and set the 6x6s in there so the water doesn't run up on my grass, and that'll look nice and neat. And this used to be all grass. It started with the drainage on the end of this house. I had to figure out some place for the water to go, so I did a dry creek bed. And then it just morphed from there. I still have to, we put the banister back up on the porch after we redid it, so it still needs to be scraped and sanded and painted, but I'll do that in the fall. And yeah, pretty happy with everything. Sidewalks are next, as I'm doing the runners here, 4x4s. 6x6s down here, 4x4s along the sidewalk, and then I'm gonna repair the sidewalk and put cement so it's not so uneven and dangerous. And the city sent me a note, but I was already on it. So there's my pears. I only have 2 pears this year. Last year I think I had 6 self-pollinating trees. So one cherry. I had 1 cherry. Life is good.